1010 Awards holds a very special significance in the careers of the awardees. This is due to the exemplary and beyond reproach independent jury that selects the awards. We are grateful for their time and dedication that each of our jury members have displayed while reviewing over 1,000 nominations and selected our awardees. This year's jury member consists of Mr. Rajesh Bagga. Mr. Rajesh is a lawyer and the founder of the law firm Yahina Law. Rajesh has long leadership experience in corporates, both under legal and HR. As a group general counsel for large corporations under varied business groups, he has dealt with diverse business both in India and in overseas market. He has also been chairing committees of the industry chambers, both internationally and in India, for legal, IPR and taxation matters. Let's hear what Mr. Rajesh has to say about his experience as a jury member this year.
I've been on the jury for compliance awards for the last about 4 to 5 years and have seen the growth of organizations and individuals who have striven to become better and better at enforcing ethics and at being compliant. I would like to congratulate all the participants and in particular the winners who have shown disproportionate efforts to be ethical and to be compliant. And it's really heartening to note that so many individuals and so many organizations are striving so hard to be compliant and ethical. Congratulations once again, and I wish you all success in your business endeavors.
Next, we have with us Mr. Sandeep Parekh, who is the founder and the managing partner at FinSec Law Advisors, on the jury this year with us. Mr. Parekh has worked as an executive director at SEBI, where he headed the legal affairs and enforcement department and has been on the faculty of the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Let's hear from Mr. Parekh.
Thank you very much for having me on the jury, and I'd like to congratulate all the nominees who have raised the bar in terms of compliance and governance in the companies which have been nominated, and I wish happy journey in the road to 1010 compliance in the future for every company and not just those who have been nominated. I'm really delighted that we made significant progress in terms of where we were a few years back, and I hope this journey will continue till we reach the milestone of 1010. Thank you.
As part of our jury, we also have with us Mr. Sailesh Haribhakti. Mr. Haribhakti requires no introduction. As a chartered and cost accountant, an internal auditor, and a certified financial planner and fraud examiner, he is well known as a leader on the Indian economy and public policy. Mr. Haribhakti has also authored 2 books, The Digital Professional and The Audit Renaissance. Let's hear from Mr. Haribhakti, his advice, what he would like to share with our nominees and awardees of the year.
To every nominee, I have this to say. You are playing an absolutely fantastic role for the corporation that you work with. The very substratum of any organization is its ability to operate as an organization which is distinct from its owners and is totally linked to all the economic interests which are dependent upon it. And you provide that solid link to make sure that every economic interest feels secure in dealing with the entity. And therefore, your role in compliance is extremely noteworthy, very commendable, and the fact that you even applied for this award sets you apart as people who believe that the best must be done, but the best has still to come.
As part of our jury this year, we also have with us Mr. Milind Sarvate. Mr. Sarvate is the founder and CEO of InCreate Advisors LLP. He is an advisor, a mentor, an independent director, and a social contributor. Mr. Sarvate has over 38 years of experience, out of which 15 years are of independent directorships in listed companies. By profession, he's a chartered accountant, a cost accountant, a company secretary, and a CII Fulbright Fellow. Mr. Sarvate has passed on his regards and well wishes to all the awardees and nominees this year. I would like to thank our jury members for their time and effort. Moving on to our next category of awards, the Excellent Performer Award 2021. Compliance performers are at the forefront in protecting the organization and abiding by the culture of compliance by choice. This year's winners were carefully selected by our jury for their ability to go above and beyond. Our 10 awardees in alphabetical order are Mr. Anurag Bhattacharya, Mr. Dilip Kumar Shethe, Mr. Hardik Poddar, Mr. Harit Pandey, Mr. Jitendra Singh Yadav, Mr. KLN Raju, Mr. Sanjay Mishra, Ms. Sarika Mahajan, Mr. Ujjwal Gupta, Ms. Vanita Sagar Sawant.
Thank you, Legacies, for this wonderful award. This award belongs to the entire team secretarial of HDFC Limited, without whom this would not have been possible. Thank you, Legacies, once again.
Namaskar to all delegates and participants connected to this 8th annual compliance award ceremony. So I am Dilip Shetty, representing GMR Kamalanga Energy Limited. Friends, compliance to legal and statutory provision is one of the most important aspects of business today. So be it corporate, governance, EHS or labor of factory. So any non-compliance related to any statutory requirement will negatively impact productivity and damage reputation. So at GKL, Legatrix has provided a one-stop solution to all our compliance needs to active support of team legacies, updating with changes to the legal compliance, also being a catalyst to our business continuity. So best part of this Legatrix is we can monitor all the compliance at any point of time with one-stop view. It provides proactive legal and regulatory support. So I am grateful to jury for choosing me as a winner of this excellent performer category, and thank you the management of GKL for confidence in me. This is just simply one of the most important part of my professional career. So thanks to my company GMR, GKL, top leadership and all my fellow colleagues.
Hi, greetings to everyone. I am overwhelmed to receive the Excellent Performer Award as a part of Compliance 10 on 10. I would like to thank Team Legacies and jury for bestowing this honor to me. I would also like to thank my organization Volkswagen IT Services, which is a strong culture of compliance, my colleagues, my managers Mr. Nakul Agarwal and Mrs. Aparna Pulambarkar for supporting and encouraging me. And lastly, the joy of receiving this award from my parents. A big thanks to my parents. This award belongs to all of you as much as it belongs to me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's a great moment for me that my contributions are recognized second times in a row. Thank you Team Legacies and jury members for honoring me with Compliance 10 Award under Excellent Performer category. I appreciate the efforts that were made to bring all of us together today. I wish to thank my mentors, my colleagues, my family and my friends who trusted, inspired and supported me to deliver my best. Thank you, stay blessed.
Thank you Legatrix team for selecting me as Excellent Performer for the year 2021. Thank you very much. Thanks to the management of NSL Industries Limited. Thank you each and everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you Legacies and honorable jury for honoring me such a prestigious award. It is an incredible moment for me. I am almost incapable of finding the right words to convey my appreciation to you. I feel respect for honoring me with this Excellent Performer Award. My confidence will be boosted by this award. This award is endorsement that I am in a right path. I would like to thank my organization UPL Limited, which have a stronger culture of compliance that has helped me in my professional journey. I would like to dedicate this award to my organization UPL Limited and my family. Thank you very much.
I am extremely honored to receive this award in the category of compliance by Legacy team. It is my pleasure to receive this compliance award in the category of excellent performer by Legacy team. Thank you so much Legacy team for giving this award. I would like to extend my gratitude to my parents, mother and father, my colleagues, my friends, and special mention to my manager, Mr. Suman Majumdar sir, for continuous support and motivation for winning this award. Thank you so much.
It's pleasure to receive an award in the category of excellent performer in annual 10-10 compliance event. I would like to thank the jury member of the 10-10 event who honored me as an excellent performer and recognize my hard work. This award will give me motivation to do best in my compliance work. I thank to my family for support which helped me to balance my duty at home as well as workplace. I also thank to Capita to give me an opportunity to handle compliance. Especially I would like to thank my manager, colleagues and friends for their support and guidance in my journey, without which this recognition would not have been possible. Moreover, big thank to senior leaders from Cadila who always have been supporting for compliance work. Thank you so much.
We would like to heartily congratulate all our winners, and now we will move on to our next panel discussion for the day.